Hi everyone. So right now we are going to join together to do the intermediate math activity from the intermediate packet for May 6th. So it's going to be a lot like yesterday's activity. It's just a different shape that we're going to be analyzing, okay? So if you want to watch the plain shapes video again on BrainPop Junior, you certainly can. If you want to watch some other shape videos on YouTube, you can go to the playlist that we have on the YouTube channel and look at the math videos, math group videos, and there's some different shape videos there. You can certainly do that as well. So if you want to do that, just pause and do some of those activities and then come back and join me if you're interested. If you want to find those math videos that I'm talking about, let me show you how to do that. You can go to playlists on the YouTube channel. And then find math group songs. And here they are. So you can watch this Shapes song. That's a really good one. And then from there, it might link you to some other Shapes songs. Okay, you don't need to watch the 3D shape one because we're dealing with flat shapes right now. Okie doke. Okay. So in looking at the outline, you're going to need a lot of the same pages you had yesterday. You're going to review pages 16, which is parts of the shape, and 17, just a total review of 2D flat shapes. And then you're going to follow the instructions on page 19. Yesterday you did page 18. Today you're going to do page 19. And you can also use the shape cutout that's on page 25 to help you with the activity. Okay? So let me show you those again. If you don't have them handy, this is what you're going to need. Going to need page 16, which is this Geometry Chart 1, Parts of Shapes, and Geometry Chart 2, 2D Flat Shapes. And then this is the one you did yesterday, page 18. Now you need page 19, okay, which is just another sheet. And then page 25, which is at the end, toward the end, you'll need one of these cutouts if you want to help, if you need it to help you. Okay, I'm going to flip over those activities. Okay, so here's our chart. Remember, we're going to be talking about sides, angles, which is where two or more sides or edges meet, parallel sides, so those are sides that are the same distance apart and will never touch even if they are longer. A vertex is the point where two or more sides or edges meet. We aren't going to be talking about vertex, face, or edge right now because those are what we refer to when it's a 3D shape. We're only talking about 2D shapes. So those parts we're talking about right now are sides, angles, and parallel sides. Okay, and the shapes that are flat shapes are circle, square, rectangle, triangle, right triangle, and rhombus. And it does talk about there being different kinds of angles. So you have right angles are the ones that are just exactly make a square versus acute angles, which are kind of skinny angles. like this. And then obtuse angles, which are really wide angles like this. This is like a wide angle. It opens up really wide, like a really wide mouth. Okay? That was yesterday's. Here's today's. So the first thing it says to do is to pick a shape and put it over the seed packet. So out of your shape cutouts, which one fits over the seed packet? Very nice. Okay, so number 2 says, how many total sides? So look at your seed packet and count. How many total sides are there on this seed packet shape? How many do you count? Great. Do you see that number? I think I see 4. Now remember, you're not just saying 1 because you see 1 here. It's how many total. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
So you need to put a number 4 there. How many sets of equal sides are there? Remember, a set is 2. That's why you see 2 lines here. So, equal means the same. How many sets of sides are there that are equal? Well, this side and this side is equal. So that's 1 set. And this side and this side is equal. So that's 1 set. So are there 2 sets of equal sides? Great job. Now, how many sets of parallel sides are there? And those are sides that are the same distance from each other and are never going to touch, no matter what. That's what I see.
1.
It's very tricky. We can't look at just this and this. We have to look at this too. This is parallel to this.
1. 2.
So it's 2 as well. Okay. How many angles are there? Remember, angles are places where 2 sides meet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job finding 4.
4.
Now, this is an acute angle when it makes a kind of a skinny angle like this one. There's 3 kinds of angles. Acute, which means it's skinny together. Obtuse, this where it's open wide. And right, where it's completely straight, one side and the other. It makes like an L. How many acute angles do you see? I don't see any. There are no skinny angles. So when there are none, what number do we use? Yep, you're right, 0.
0.
0 means none. Okay, how many obtuse or wide angles? Do you see any wide angles? Yes, you are correct. There are no wide angles. 0.
0.
Now, how many right angles are there? Or angles that when you look at them, they would make an L? Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 right angles.
4.
Super. So what is the shape? What is this shape? Is it a rectangle, a circle, or a square? We could refer to this page to help us. Not this page. Well, that does help us because we did it yesterday, but this page. Well, when we're looking at that description, a curved side, no angles. Well, we know it's not that. It can't be a circle because we have angles. 4 equal sides, 2 sets of parallel sides. Okay. 4 right angles. This one, the rectangle, has 4 sides, 2 sets of equal sides versus 4 equal sides, 2 sets of parallel sides, and 4 right angles. So let's look. Do we have 4 equal sides? No. That's the difference between a square and a rectangle. Only 2 sets of equal sides. 2 sets of equal sides. 2. It is a rectangle.
Rectangle.
Great job. Great job. Wonderful job analyzing that shape and noticing the major difference between four equal sides and 2 sets of equal sides. That's the big difference. 4 equal sides, 2 sets of equal sides. That's what's really different between we talk about sets versus equal. This has 4 equal sides.
4.
This has 2 sets of equal sides. Great job. Okay, well, good luck getting that all finished up, everyone. And have a wonderful day. Tomorrow we'll join again and we'll analyze another shape, another 2D shape. Okay? Great work. See you later.